Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic gargle, monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered are as follows: introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and gargle as a monophasic liquid dosage form. The monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as a solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as a solute. The classification of a liquid dosage form, it gets divided into two classes: liquid meant for internal administration and liquid meant for external administration. In case of liquid meant for internal administration, it again divided into three types, that is mixtures, syrups and elixirs. And liquid meant for external administration, it again divided into three types, that are liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth, liquids instilled into body cavities, and liquids applied on skin. In case of liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth are gargles, mouthwashes and throat paints, while the liquids instilled into body cavities are douches, ear drops and nasal drops, and the liquids applied on skin are sprays, liniments and lotions. So in today's session we will discuss in detail about the gargle. Gargles are a concentrated clear solution used in the posterior region of mouth to prevent the throat infection. Then uses of gargle: it is used as an antiseptic or antibacterial and astringent, then relieve the soreness in a mild throat infection. Gargle are supplied in a concentrated form. These are used after diluting with warm water. They are brought in intimate contact with the mucous membrane of the throat. They are allowed to remain in contact with it for few seconds before they thrown out of the mouth, and the gargles have medicated use. Example of gargle: potassium chlorate and phenol gargle, BPC, British Pharmaceutical Codex, RX. Potassium chlorate 30 gram, patent BLUV 0.009 gram, liquefied phenol 15 ml and water up to 1000 ml. Prepare the mouthwash and send 30 ml. Directions are: dilute it with warm water before use. Gargle containers: white fluted glass bottle with plastic screw cap, colored bottle used for preparation which need protection from light, especially from ultraviolet light, which are stored in amber colored bottles. Labeling: for external use only. Then diluted with warm water before use and not to be swallowed in a large amount. Then storage: gargle are supplied in well closed airtight glass container having plastic screw cap. Next, what we learned from this presentation: gargle, monophasic liquid dosage form. What is monophasic liquid dosage forms? Then the classification of liquid dosage form, and in today's session we will discuss about gargle, that is as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Thank you.